In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes in ClickUp and reverse those accidental deletions efficiently. Let's say you're working on a project and in a moment of haste, you delete an important task. Not to worry, I'm here to guide you through getting it back. First things first, let's kick off by navigating to clickup.com in your web browser. Once you're there, take a moment to log into your account. Just enter your credentials as you usually would and click that login button. If you're seeing your dashboard now, you're in the right place. Next up, you'll want to zero in on the specific workspace and project where you encountered the mishap. Click on the workspace name and from here, select the corresponding project. By doing this, you're ensuring you're focusing on the right context within your ClickUp environment. This step is crucial because tasks are often tied to specific projects, and getting to the correct workspace streamlines the entire restoration process. Now direct your attention to your profile icon. You'll likely find this at the upper corner of your interface. Click on your profile icon, which will bring up a drop-down menu. Scanning through this menu, you'll find an option called Trash. Give that a click. The Trash section in ClickUp is akin to a safety net for anything you've deleted, like an archive of sorts, which can be tremendously useful. Within the trash, you'll see a list of tasks and items that have been deleted. What you're looking for is the specific task you want to recover. Once you've found it, there will be a subtle three-dot icon, often referred to as the More icon, that accompanies each entry. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This is your gateway to further options for managing your deleted tasks. Among the options that appear, you should select Restore. Clicking this will transport your erstwhile deleted task back to its former location, reviving it into your project as if it had never left. It may take a moment, but rest assured, ClickUp is restoring it to where it was initially, so you can pick up just where you left off. And there you have it, a simple guide to navigating through ClickUp to undo and reverse any deletions. This feature offers peace of mind, knowing that your efforts can be quickly reclaimed. Remember, routinely checking the trash can saves you from future panic when accidental deletions occur. Keeping this method in your back pocket ensures you are prepared for any surprises and can smoothly manage your projects without a hitch.